Here are all the ways you can crop a picture in Word. Using a margin crop. Insert the picture into Microsoft Word. Select the picture. The Picture Format tab should open at the top. Click Crop. Adjust the picture's crop. Click and drag inward any of the black bars on the edges or in the corners of the picture to do so. To crop equally on two parallel sides at the same time, hold Ctrl key as you drag the cropping handle. Press ESC to apply the crop. Using a shaped crop. Click the down arrow below Crop. Select Crop to Shape. Doing so prompts a pop-out menu with shapes. Select a shape. This will immediately apply the shape to the picture. Adjust the shape's size. Click and drag inward or outward any of the circular points around the picture's outline to decrease or increase the picture's size. If needed, you can undo the crop by pressing Ctrl+Z. Using an aspect ratio crop. Click the down arrow below Crop. Select Aspect Ratio. Select a ratio. Adjust the crop selection. Click and drag your picture around until you've centered the section you want to keep in the aspect ratio square or rectangle. Press ESC to apply the crop. Be sure to save your changes. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.